Hello, my name is Elena Grunerud, and I researched the question, how does stress relate to the dietary habits of college students? There are many unreliable sources out there, one of which that I have personally come across is TikTok. A source becomes unreliable when a person speaking on the subject is unqualified, has no reliable source to back their statements up, or spreading untrue and unresearched information claiming it is factual. In my research, I have used an article from Nutrients. This is a reliable source because it has many references. It is not a review or analysis of another article. It has an author with credentials in nutrition, and the author wrote what the study is, how it was measured, and discussed the results. College students have a 36.7% indicated record of being overweight or obese. Dietary habits are formed through a variety of factors such as environment, genetics, social demographics. Due to many college students failing to adjust to their new environments and social stressors, they typically get into the habit of excessive alcohol consumption, eating quick and easily accessible foods, and stress-related over or under eating. Through many studies, stress has been linked to selecting unhealthy food choices. The study performed took place on a campus university in Korea. The participants were campus students at this university, and the study measured two things. It measured and compared the dietary habits and physical activities of the participants based on their demographic characteristics, and it also investigated the stress levels of each participant based on their association with their dietary behaviors and physical activities. Questions to the participants were sent out over the span of 2 months. 420 questions were sent out to the 9,725 students. Responses to 393 of their questions were collected and studied for further analysis. The questions consisted of how regularly the participants exercise or engage in physical activity, and participants recorded their answers on a 5-point frequency scale. The questions also collected their demographic information as well as their perceived level of stress. The responses were coded in Excel and studied by sex, academic year, and residence type. The results of the study revealed many things. It showed that 47% of respondents eat when they are stressed. 51.7% eat fast food 1 to 3 times a week, and 33.8% eat fast food 3 to 4 times a week. 49.4% overeat 1 to 2 times a week, and 33.4% of respondents typically skip breakfast. It is important to note that skipping meals has been associated with unhealthy dietary habits. The study also showed that those who reported having high stress levels ate more foods to relieve that stress compared to those with low stress levels. And those who reported having high stress were also less likely to exercise regularly. In conclusion, being in a new academic environment can put a lot of stress on college students. Students who reported having high stress levels showed unhealthy dietary habits. Because of this, college students should find ways to properly manage their stress so they can prevent stress-related eating habits. I chose to research this topic because I myself am a college student who enjoys learning how different emotions and environments can affect a person's diet. Almost every single person at my high school grad party warned me of the big freshman 15, so I was just intrigued to see how stress played a factor in that. And I think this information is also relevant to many of you listening because everyone experiences stress from time to time. So it's just good to know. Thank you.